How to find out number of sigma and pi bonds in a structure. So to find out number of sigma and pi bond in the given structure, so you have to keep it in mind that whenever carbon is having of double bond, in this one sigma bond is present, one pi bond is present. Whenever carbon is having of triple bond, in this one sigma bond is present, remaining two are pi bonds. Whenever carbon is having of all single bonds, so all are sigma bonds only. Whenever so carbon is linked with that of nitrogen, so cyanide, so here carbon is having of two pi bonds, two pi bonds, one sigma bond, then here also one more sigma bond. And in the carbonyl group, so whenever carbon is having of double bond, so what is the uh, what you need to remember is, so here one is sigma bond and the remaining is one pi bond in a carbonyl group. So like that, so keep it in mind these things, you can easily answer the questions regarding the number of sigma and pi bonds in a structure. Find out number of sigma and pi bonds in the given structures. So here we have a few structures. We need to find out number of sigma and pi bonds present in the given structures. So the first one, so here CH3, so carbon is having sigma bonds with the 3 hydrogen atoms, so 3, and here 1, and here also 1, so 5, 6, 7, and between oxygen and hydrogen, so one more hydrogen sigma bond is present. Here a pi bond and here also a pi bond, so two pi bonds are present in this structure. And number of sigma bonds, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 between oxygen and hydrogen, so 12 sigma bonds, 2 pi bonds are present in the given structure. In the next one, so carbon with the 3 hydrogen atom, so 3 sigma bonds, here 1 sigma bond, 4, here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so 9 sigma bonds present. And here between carbon and nitrogen 2 pi bonds are present, so 2 pi bonds, 9 sigma bond and 2 pi bonds. In the next one, carbon with the 3 hydrogen, so 3 sigma bonds, 4, so 5, 6, 1 pi bond, 7 and 8 2 hydrogens, 2 sigma bonds, 9, 10, 11, so 11 sigma bonds. And here 1 pi bond, here 1 pi bond between carbon and oxygen, so 2 pi bonds. So like that we can calculate the number of sigma bonds and number of pi bonds. And allyl cyanide, so allyl cyanide structure will be CH2 double bond CH CH2 and C triple bond N. This is known as allyl cyanide. In this you can find out number of sigma and pi bonds. So between the carbon and carbon, so 1 pi bond is present. Between carbon and nitrogen 2 pi bonds are present, so total pi bonds 3 pi bonds. Then remaining are sigma bonds. Here CH2 is having 2 sigma bonds, 3, 4, 5, so these two 7, 8 and 9, so 9 sigma bonds are present in the allyl cyanide. Next one is crotonic acid. Write the structure of crotonic acid first. CH3 CH double bond CH C double bond OH is the structure of crotonic acid. Then you can find out number of sigma and pi bonds. Here 3 sigma bonds, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 11 sigma bonds are present. The pi bonds 1, 2. So 2 pi bonds are present in the crotonic acid. Next, acrolein. So structure of acrolein is, so CH2 double bond CH, C double bond OH. This is structure of acrolein. So here two sigma bonds. So between the carbon and carbon double bond is there. In a double bond, one is sigma bond and one is pi bond. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 sigma bonds. Here one pi bond, here one more pi bond. So two pi bonds are present. Then next, coming to the cumene. Here this is structure of cumene. 3 double bonds in the benzene nucleus and isopropyl group. So this is structure of cumene. In this, these are the carbon atoms. So each carbon atom having of 3 hydrogens. Each carbon atom having of 3 hydrogens with sigma bond. There is one more hydrogen. So here double bonded carbon atom. So upon the benzene nucleus, each carbon atom having of 1 hydrogen. So this is structure of cumene. So by this you can easily find out number of sigma and pi bonds. So these are 3, 6, 7, so 8, 9, 10. So 10 sigma bonds, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So 21 sigma bonds are present. Then in the benzene nucleus 3 pi bonds. So total 21 sigma bonds and 3 pi bonds are present in the cumene structure.